Okay, now in this video we have to expand the brackets by splitting the terms inside the brackets. Okay, let's take out our first example and we'll see how we'll expand these brackets. 0.4 to minus x plus 3. Alright, so we now have to times 0.4 inside the bracket. That would be 0.8 and then 0.4x minus 3. Okay, we have to times the sign inside the bracket as well. Okay, now next we have to arrange all the like terms. 0.8 minus 3 and 0.4x minus x, and that will be negative 2.2 and that will be 1.4x. Alright, so in this way we expand the brackets by splitting all the terms inside the brackets. Alright, so let's take another example. Let's remove this whole. Alright, let's take this one, the fraction variable. Three over 4x minus 8y, 3 over 5, 15x minus 5y. Alright, so again we have to times 3 by 4 inside the bracket. 4x, and you can see that we can easily cancel the numerator with the denominator, but we will do it in the later steps. And you can see that we have to times the sign inside the bracket as well. And negative plus negative, but negative will become positive. 3 over 5, 5y. Alright. So now we have to cancel these terms. And that will become 3x. 6y. When we times 3 by 3, that will be 9x. And that would be 3y, yeah. Now we have to arrange the like terms. Next, alright, what would be the answer? 6x, and that would be 3y. Alright, this will be the answer. And if you want to arrange it a bit more, you can do it in this way. Yeah, in this way you can arrange it. But don't forget the equal signs. Okay, let's take another example. The last one with the decimal points. Zero point 3x times with 0.2x minus y minus 4y x plus 0.3y plus 0.5x y minus x. Okay, let me use a dark color. Alright, so we have to times this whole value inside the bracket, first with the first term and then with the later term. Okay, and you can see that we have x inside and outside the bracket, so that will become x squared 0.3xy negative 4xy, and it would be 0. Alright, that would be 12, 1.2 y squared plus 0.5xy, and then the last one 0.5x squared. Yeah. So now again we have to arrange all of the like terms. 0.6x squared, negative 0.5x squared, then 1.2y squared, and then these all the like terms. Negative 0.3. You can write it over here because I like to use more space. Yeah, I'm doing it over here. 0.5xy. Yeah. Then we have to add up all the terms together to get the last answer. Okay, so is it 4xy? Yeah. Okay, 0.3, 0.5 will be 0, oh, 0.3 and plus, that would be 0.2 plus 0.2, and then we have to, okay, negative 4xy plus 0.2xy. So we have left with the answer that is 1.2x squared, and then 3.8xy. So after expanding all of the terms inside the bracket, we got this answer. I hope you can do it all of the other questions on your own. And it's quite simple to do. Yeah.